You need new candidates for an open position. You wish your LinkedIn job posting could attract more and more new applicants, or go crazy viral. Does this sound familiar? What should you do differently to make this dream come true? Promoting your job vacancy on LinkedIn is somewhat similar to content marketing, which means you have to focus on the details to get viewers to engage. If you want your job postings to be shared or promoted, you have to keep these 3 things in mind every time you aim to increase your reach. First one is to create an OMG what? Headline. Don't title your job posting with a dull and monotonous position title. You want the viewers to click see more, and the best way to do that is to make the first part of the post intriguing. Your hello should be followed by something that'll get your readers interested, such as, wanted, Python obsessed software engineer, or, are you the witty and creative marketer we've been looking for? An interesting headline would not only get them to read further, but also encourage them to push it out to friends, family, or colleagues. However, when you consider SEO, the likeliness of people looking for that position finding your job posting, you want to choose a simple and conventional job title. Second, include the top 5 traits of your ideal candidate. You want your posting to look unique in the job posting we encounter every day. Every time you depart from the usual job description, you make your post a little more likely to go viral. A great way of doing so is creating a list of 5 or 10 funny, peculiar or passionate traits that you're looking for. The more authentic and original, the better. This list can be your way of projecting the company's talent brand. Modern job seekers don't go applying for jobs on impulse. They do their research and then decide. An engaging top 5 list could be the last push required to make them apply. Third and last is to thank anyone who helps you increase the reach. Monitor your LinkedIn feed closely and be sure to like, comment, and show appreciation to everyone who helps you increase the reach of your job postings. You can comment a simple thank you for those who commenting for better reach on your LinkedIn posts. For someone who shares your job posting, show more appreciation than a thank you. Drop a personalized comment or something like I sincerely appreciate your help. Your timely response and follow-through will leave a positive impact. These individual comments can make a good impression, not just on them, but also on their followers. Remember, this is not a one-and-done thing. Expanding the reach of your job posting will need consistent and creative promotion on LinkedIn. This is true for every social media platform. Putting your job out there on Facebook, Instagram, or any other platform isn't enough. You need to do it multiple times. As the saying, out of sight, out of mind, if you don't post about that vacancy frequently and at times when people can see it, you won't get the result that you're hoping to get. Hope this helps.